Mumastreets mandinotenderera umu ndakanga ndambosvika kuVictoria Falls pamwedzi yakapera iyo. So ndiri kuVictoria Falls ndakasvika pane restaurant iri panapa inonzi Dust Road. So ndoda kuti ndimbokuratidzai kuti pakaita sei imimi mozvionera kune vanenge vazoda kuuya kunoku makasununguka kubata Mukoma Jowa. Mukoma Jowa ndo vechikopo-kopo helicopter zvakare, ndo vanotibatsira kazhinji patinoenda ikoko kuti ratidza nzvimbo pamwe nekuti batanidza nevane maactivities. Ndichito zvirikudi kwese kwamuri muri yeZimbabwe. Aiwa, uya mumbozvionera kunaka kwakaita nzvimbo inoi.
As you can see here at Dust Road, and Zunzao, it's traditional, and almost all of their ingredients, they are traditional. As you can see, this is beautiful. This is the work of art, and this is the work of art. Even here, you can see this is their bar area. This is their bar area, the township way, and it kuma location long back. This is how a bar used to look like, and just imagine getting to experience how it used to be in those days, my 1990s, 1980s, and right. If you come close, you see even this kind of art. This one here, it is a water glass, but as you can see, yakagadzirwa a bottle which was cut, and half a bottle, and then base rachona ndor base batraka shandukiro. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. You can see this is a water glass. A water glass. Even these ones here, these are this is a Savannah bottle which was cut, and a water glass. The art itself is something else. It is something else. This is beautiful. All right. And inside there, what? A gift shop. Serious? Can I go inside? Yeah. Okay. So this one here, this is a gift shop. As you can see, wow, guys, is you see, this is a gift shop. We come inside there. You can buy some manyatera. Bero remombe, mchiru rizere bero remombe riani. Wow, this is beautiful artwork. Artwork irimo. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Yeah, my short, my dresses, anamai, zvakasiyana, and my hat, and my basket. I remember my mom used to have one like this. My mom, she used to have a basket, one like this. And this is beautiful. Ne chuma, artwork here. This is beautiful. Net my bag, which is beautiful. So guys, when you come to Victoria Falls, encourage you you need to come to this place, and you need to come to this place. Also, okay, this is a tea station. Tea station. Panapa inzwaga pane this Zumbani, Chindambi, ground coffee, and I'm sure this is traditional. Tofunga murugona masamba ya chiti masamba msango. Check mauyu. This is baobab seed coffee. Moringa. So you just choose what you want to have here. And this one here is a buffet area. As you can see, a buffet. You see the artwork itself. Yeah, the artwork here, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. This is beautiful. I just love the place. I think you have to come here when you are in Victoria Falls. You just need to come and enjoy here when you come to Victoria Falls. All right.